invite our chairman and our honorable MD. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. It's time to hear from Mr. Rajiv Reddy. Can we hear for him? Come on. Okay. But before we hear from him, I'm sure we all want to know more about the Country Club. Country Club. Country Club is been known all across the globe. Whenever you talk about Country Club, it started its journey in the year 1989. At present, we have 10 different countries, 4 lakh members, 55 clubs all across India and Middle East Asia. Several leading banks are banking with country clubs, initially with member friendly. Okay, so I won't keep you waiting any further. It's time to hear from our favorite, from the person for whom we all have gathered here. It's time to hear. Please come forward and say a few words.
Thank you, Zia. And welcome to Evelyn. I think she looks more than like an angel only. And welcome to the wonderful media here. After a long, long time, we are having a press conference in Bombay. Bombay always baffles me because the kind of energy levels Bombay has got, I don't think so any other city, maybe not even New York, has the kind of energy levels that Bombay carries. When I come to Bombay, I feel, really charged, really full of energy, and, people here are hardworking, they are businesslike, and like I was just sharing this experience with Evelyn in my room just now. I was sitting in an aircraft going to Hyderabad, and suddenly next to me was Rajesh Khanna. And he said, "Hello, Mr. Thumbs Up Reddy." I was clean bold. I was a fan of Rajesh Khanna for many years. Then I told him one incident which I told him, "You made me famous during my college days." I had gone to Kuala Lumpur, and then, my auntie was principal of a college, so they all wanted me to participate in the college function. And in the college function, they wanted me to sing this Hathi Mere Saathi, this thing. So I wore that kurta of Rajesh Khanna, and I had the background arrangements made and all that. I became an instant hit in Kuala Lumpur. In fact, I became an overnight celebrity. Like, they used to come to my house, my auntie's house in Damansara Heights, and they used to pick every day. I used to get 3-4 invitations, and the phone never used to stop ringing everywhere. All the people in Malaysia were so fond of Hindi movies. They can't sing, but they can rhyme. They can relate to our Hindi lyrics and Bollywood, this thing. So, yes, my dear friend, Rajesh Khanna told me that at the time I was starting here in Bombay, "Mr. Reddy, Bombay gives you only one chance. Think big in Bombay. Don't think small. My name is Jatin Khanna. I came to Bombay with a big dream. Bombay has given me whatever I am. So don't do anything small in Bombay." And the success is the member participation. We encourage members to participate. Whereas Navratri was a Gujarati festival. When I wanted to start in Hyderabad, Navratri, a lot of my Gujarati friends, they said, "Mr. Reddy, it won't take off."
So much for sharing such an inspirational, motivational words with us. Also, for sharing us the insight about Country Club. Once again, can we hear for him? Come on. Now it's time to hear from a guest of honor. She started her career with a movie debut. That's in the year 2006. American film Turn Left. She made a Bollywood debut in the movie From Sydney with Love. She has features in many Bollywood movies. Her performance was highly praised in Nautanki Sala and Isaak. She has also hosted her own travel show titled with Life Mein Ek Baar. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from a beautiful, gorgeous, she's a model, she's the actress, she's multi-talented, the gorgeous diva, Evelyn Sharma. I request you to please come forward and say a few words.
Thank you. You didn't even mention my most famous movies, huh? It's my honor to be here today, and I think this inspirational story, this has blown all of us away. You have created a legacy with Country Club, and it all started with this beautiful dream of giving everyone what everyone is looking forward all their life. It's our holiday. And you have created this beautiful concept to bring families together for not just for their regular holiday, but also for the big festivals, which I think is beautiful. Even bringing us, stars together with the families of India to celebrate together. And I'm just super excited to be here today. Thank you to Santosh ji for introducing us. And I'm looking forward to being a part of the Country Club family, coming to all the different country clubs around the world. I think it's more than 50 now, all across India, Middle East, even Sri Lanka, lots of places. So I have to see all of them, of course. I think it's a big success story as well, with more than 4 lakh of memberships. So I would encourage everyone, get your memberships today, especially the new Millionaire Club membership, because that will open up all the doors for you. So please come, enjoy your holidays, and join the Country Club. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and views with us. So here comes the most awaited moment of the day. Are we ready? So come on, can we have the countdown begin? It's time to unveil the Country Club Millionaire Card.
Lakshman, VVS Lakshman, cricketer, was recommended by Gavaskar for a special membership in the country club, and he was asked to, requested for the usage of the country club in Hyderabad. So Lakshman, as soon as he finished his pioneering innings, he came to me and came to my house and thanked me and all that. So what I'm, there are any number of these things. Even Sunil Dutt ji on this Ground Zero program was a chief guest. And we had a beautiful audience. And it was one of the most fantastic events. The following year we had it in Bombay also. He had come here, Bombay Club and this thing. So he was very close to me. Even Sanjay Dutt used to come to the country club, health club, and he used to do exercises and in the night, basically. So I have a lot of connect with the Bollywood. If you ask me what moves India today, it is Bollywood as well as cricket. There are only two things that moves in India, touches the emotions of the Indians, basically, around the world. So, my dear friends, this card, what we are launching today, has got the support of all the big banks. It is State Bank of India, ICICI, HDFC, HSBC, and all the banks, almost about 12 banks are affiliated with us. Because the banks see the potential of this concept, country club, so they all want to be a part of this brand. And my dear friends, this, even at the nominal amount of 2,000 rupees per month, the banks will take care of the rest. So it's so easy to become a member and, start enjoying your clubbing, your fitness centers, your events, your holidays. And let me tell you one thing, my dear friends. We had a great thumbs up revolution, or the birthday revolutions. Every member, 4 lakh members, they get a call from, and their families, from the country clubs, from centralized, holiday division, and they get a call. We invite them to the members of to the clubs. We give them free wine, and we also give them a nice bouquet. And Usha Uttup had a beautiful song. I wonder if they should have played it today. Happy birthday song for them. So many videos are. Tell me how many clubs or how many hotels call up their clients or their members for their birthdays. Not a single one. This has got us a lot of trust value, lot of...
For sharing your thoughts and views. I won't keep my media friends waiting any further. We start up with the Q&A round, that is Janta Bites. Q&A? Q&A. We have the extra mic there, so we'll pass the mic there. Just raise your hand so that we can... So, Ziad sir there, on the left-hand side. I request you to please introduce yourself before you raise a question.
Hello. Evelyn.
Hello.
कंट्री क्लब की कई देशों में और कई राज्यों में ब्रांचेस हैं. आप घूमने की शौकीन है तो कहाँ-कहाँ जाना पसंद करेंगी?
Evelyn, is for Evelyn or me?
Yeah, Evelyn.
Which place? I want to go to Hyderabad because I want to visit your castle, country club. It looks, it's inspired by German castle. So of course it's very close to my heart, meeting Germany in India, just like my parents did. So I'm looking forward to seeing the country club in Hyderabad. And since I've been going a lot to Hyderabad shooting for Saho, I'll be definitely checking it out next time.
Thank you.
Next. Anyone? Any questions? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. With this, we are done for today's press conference. I want to thank the media fraternity as well as Evelyn Sharma for being with us. Of course, yes, our favorite, that's CMD, Mr. Reddy, for being with us today. Thank you, each one of you. And I request the entire media and all the people present out here to join us for the refreshment. Thank you, everyone.
Camera, what do you want to say about this beautiful location? I am extremely happy to be here today and to become a part of this country club family. I think it's been an amazing legacy that Mr. Reddy has been developing over the last 25 years. So I am super excited to go and see all the different places around India, the Middle East, Sri Lanka, all the wonderful holiday places. I think like that's the thing that we all look forward to most in our everyday life is like when is our next holiday, especially with our families. So the Country Club offers exactly that, and not just for all the families of India, but also for the celebrities to come and join in all the amazing festivals that we celebrate at the Country Club. And yeah, I'm just excited to come and be a member.
Which is the best part you think about the country club and which one card you buying?
So I hope I get one for free.
Already given, no? It's a 100 membership card, eh?
So
Not buying anything. She's already...
I'll be there. Okay, I'll see you there. What I like most about Country Club is that they promote health and wellness, because I think that's what everyone needs a little more of. So when you're on your holiday, they have amazing fitness programs. They have amazing wellness programs. Sometimes you just need a massage or swim in the pool. I love to lay by the pool and just relax. But some people love to also be active during their holiday, and the Country Club offers all of it.
She's different, yeah. I mean, you see, she looks like an angel. And... Hello. Okay. No, I mean, she's totally different. In fact, because we Country Club brand is going global, because she is, I think, from partly from Germany and partly from India. I thought she was the right fit for this occasion. And she's also a wonderful face. She's always smiling. And, you know, she's so spontaneous. And really, I mean, we are really proud to have her here with us.
Thank you. It was amazing working with all of them, from Prabhas to Neil to Sajid, our director. But today we're here to talk about the Country Club. So if you're in Hyderabad anytime soon, like I will be for shooting for Saho, come by the Country Club. Yeah, I have a movie releasing. It's called Jack and Dill. It's releasing hopefully in September. But again, I guess after that, I'll need a holiday. So I'll be at the Country Club.